BEXKOM was established in 2016 and is headquartered in Shenzhen, China, a leading brand in the connector design and manufacturing industry. We possess our own core technologies such as connector development and design, mold design, reliability testing, injection molding, CNC, and automated production lines. BEXKOM is the primary supplier to over 2,000 customers worldwide, with clients in more than 60 countries. BEXKOM's products are widely used in various sectors, including medical equipment, military, industrial, detection, testing, measurement, broadcast television, communications, drones, agricultural machinery, robotics, and more. BEXKOM has obtained ISO 9001 and ISO 13485 certifications, and our products comply with RoHS, REACH, CE, UL, COC, MIS-DS.